What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel, and today we are back to announce who won the giveaway. So excuse my bad singing. Yeah, so somebody won. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pick two people for like the main prizes, like the two sets of things I said I was gonna give out, like this this and this with something. So it'll be two people that wins that, and also some polish will be with those two main prizes, and then I'm gonna pick a couple people for bonus prizes. So not a lot of people entered like on my last giveaway, so I kind of narrowed it down to like I guess I'm gonna send everyone something. So basically I took out my little book and I went to see who all entered. What I did forget to mention is everyone must be in the US, so I hope all of you guys are in the US. If you are not, I am so sorry I forgot to say that. But hopefully you guys are in the US, then we're all good to go. I just forgot to put that in the video and in the my description box. So yes, must be in US, so because of shipping, you know. Alright, so this is what I wrote down. These are the names of all of you that entered. So the first two main prizes are going to go to Cheryl Green and Stacy Pinnock. You both win the two main prizes. So I'm going to send this set plus some other stuff to one of you, and I'm going to send this with some other stuff to one of you. You guys are going to get those two goodies right here. And then, oh my god, you guys, okay, quick voiceover. I totally forgot that I wanted to throw in these two mini capoodles. I'm gonna give one to the main prize winner and one to a bonus prize winner, so you guys will also get that with your giveaway prizes in it as well. The other ones that entered was Beauty Beam 86, and what I tried to do was I tried to put them in the order that they commented it, like, you know, the first, second, third. I'm not sure if I did it right or not, so I just kind of picked. So the next person I have down is Beauty Beam 86, Candy's Garden, Bliss Mixin, and Blessing Ola Watosin Omalafe. I'm sorry, I probably jacked that all the way up. I apologize. So I would like to send Bliss Mixin and Blessing maybe my nail art mats and maybe a couple of other small things for bonus prize gifts for you two. And then to Beauty Beam and Candy's Garden, you guys are the two bonus prize winners, and I'm gonna send you guys some goodies as well, a couple of polishes and whatever else I can throw in there. And I just hope you guys enjoy whatever it is that I send to you guys. Like I said, you guys know I am moving, so I did accidentally pack up some of the prizes that I wanted to give out, but I'm gonna try to see what I could scramble up and find, and I'm gonna try to send you guys some goodies. I might break this up and send this, you know, to like a polish and one of these little decorations to one of you guys as well. I have a bunch of little charms in here. I have a little pot of glitter here. I have some top and base coats I'm gonna put in with the prize. I'm gonna do I'm gonna pull out one more of these and send this to someone as well. It's the Snails Nails soak off gloves that I absolutely love. I have some acrylic powders I'm gonna put in, some files, and I'm also gonna send out some foils, and if I can find my nail stickers and stuff like that that I had put to the side for you guys. So yeah, I hope you guys are excited and you all are gonna get a prize. So if you see your name here, what I need you to do is to look in my description box and email me your if your email name is different from your YouTube name, let me know in the email as well. And send me your address. And after you emailed me, please comment under this video that you sent your email, so that way I can kind of confirm that it's really you sending me the email. And yeah, we'll go from there. And then when I do ship off the prizes, I will contact you guys and let you know that it is on the way, so you can be looking out for your prize. I just hope you guys enjoy everything that I send. I'm gonna try to send, you know, what I can and make it as exciting as possible. So yeah, you guys won. Congratulations. Thank you guys so much for being great subscribers, watching my videos and supporting. I truly appreciate it. And yeah, y'all, so that's it, you guys. Y'all won. So like I said, if you see your name down here, please contact me as soon as possible. I'll say within 24 hours of me posting this. Send me an email with your name, your address, where you want it sent to, and I will get it out to you guys as soon as possible. All right, you guys, thank y'all so much for entering. Thank you guys for watching the video, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, y'all.